You are going to love the 2016 Forester. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, center console with lighting, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, tachometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.